Hi, I'm from the Philippines. I'm
Kadiyot saan? Wait, sa.
quite viewers.
Wait.
Ikaw ba? Abo, ang bago bata. Ay, si katawan.
Likod sa diha, good. You can sit down there.
Kaya kalimot ko kung pay-pay, char.
Oh, na 5,000 likes.
Panaog na lang ng karton eh.
All right,
Nabukat na, Jin.
everybody. Hello and welcome. Welcome to the live stream. I am David. This is Orly. We have a lot of special guests all the way from the Philippines tonight. Dennis is in the house. Thank you for being here. So we hope everybody's doing great. Remember, as you come in, if you're watching this on the replay, like, subscribe, share, donate $5 million so I can buy a beach house. All right. So we got some cool things going on tonight. Dennis, good to see you. Nisha's in the house.
Yeah, Nisha.
So young lady, Philippines, state who you are. You start off.
Go there. All right. This one on the other side, we all know that her Karen, my best friend that who was organized our donations. Okay, Nisha, thank you for the school supplies. And you can watch it the replay. I'm sorry. I thought
Dennis, it's just money.
wow. Wow. Thank you for super chat. Dang.
Dennis.
Dennis, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis Balon.
Oh.
For the next. Tulo mo na sila, no? Ay, si katawa diha.
Eh, karoon na ibang sponsor diya, sis, so that we can have more project to help the
Thank you, Mr. Muna yung Dennis Balon.
Dennis. Tell Dennis. Oh.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So Karen is the one who organized everything. All I do is just to send the money, and I try to accommodate what we're doing. So so yeah, Karen, how you did the donate the school supplies, like what grade and like that.
Yeah, in preschool, we have here for the preschool, we have,
Ipalipot ang kamera sa kuan para makita rin mo ba? Ipatandig sa
asa naman to? Asa tong preschool nila ni?
ipatandig ka sa lamisa, sis, para so that you can show that.
Asa tayo stand? Dami tong stand.
Wow, my God.
Asa to?
Okay.
Char, butang mo. Magatubang lang sa kamera. Bukas naman kayo. Asa na to sa bayan?
So they went to one of the
Panaog sana.
there's that they can have a wholesale and a little bit discount. Did they have to put on the teacher?
Ano preschool?
I think did they have
Yeah, this is for the preschool.
Dennis, are you asking if they had a little money to give to the teacher, like the teacher chair, like an envelope? Is that kind of what you mean? I don't know. I don't think they did, Dennis,
No,
to be
yeah.
honest.
They're
For
gonna
the preschool.
okay. So what grade is that you're doing? Because it okay.
In it, ikaw explain diha sis.
Okay. So that one is what, 3 to 4 years? Was that grade 3 to 6 or
Yeah, will be given today the preschool, for the preschool, kinder, and daycare. For
okay?
the grade school, grade 1 to grade 6.
Okay, show the
Grade 1 to grade 6.
first what preschool. So what's the
For
inside
the
of the
preschool, the one pack of bond paper, 10 pieces. They only need this one only. 2 notebook, writing notebook,
Okay.
and 1 paper, 2 pencils, 1 crayon, and eraser. For the preschool,
Okay. So and you
for
put that
kinder and
in,
daycare.
right?
For kinder and daycare.
So the next, what's the other set for what? Grade 3, grade 1 to grade what?
For grade 1 to grade 3, or grade 4, grade 1 to grade 4.
Okay. Iabante gamay sis para makita. I never had it.
Madungog ra?
Oh,
Madungog ra?
tayo
Madungog.
clear. Yeah.
Grade 1.
No, ipalayo gamay para makita tanan. Ay, abante. Na, oh, that's it. Oh, yeah.
Grade 1 to grade 1 to grade 4.
Okay.
The
So,
difference is the paper. Sis,
okay, madungog
the
ra.
difference is the paper.
Oh,
Yeah,
abante, madungog ra. Oh. So, how
paper.
many notebooks is that?
They got 7 notebook.
Wow, a lot.
One
Okay.
more. Last 3.
Okay.
7 notebook.
Wow.
Then 1 pack of paper for art. 10 sheets. 10 sheets.
Okay.
And crayon.
Yes.
Sharpener and eraser. 2 pencil.
Oh, all right.
Uh,
So, the grade 1 to grade 3. Then and the another one more left. Oh, there's a high school also, huh? Uh-huh.
huh?
So that is
What?
grade 5 to
Ako may hinay.
madungog ra sis. Sis, ay, wala ka madungog ra.
Ako mo hindi kadungog ninyo.
Ah, okay.
One legs.
Then we're doing a next batch. What Karen's showing now is because they have a separate batches of children on different grade. So each envelope is
Grade 5 to grade 6.
we're just trying to tell you what's inside the envelope per batch. Okay, that's a grade 6 now.
Grade 5, grade
Uh,
6.
grade 5 to grade 6. Okay, and how few notebooks are 8 or 7 notebooks?
No, 7 only.
Okay, 7.
7. 4, 3.
Yeah.
2 ball pen.
Oh,
1 crayon.
okay.
Bond paper. Kasi tawagan ng... Kasi tawagan ng... Hindi ko ka-explain.
Graphing paper?
Yan. Ha?
Graphing paper?
No. Bond paper.
Oh,
For art. For the art.
okay.
Then for the high school, we have that extra notebook. I will divide. We
Yeah.
have 7.
8.
7 high school.
Okay.
I will divide this one.
Okay. So apparently, Karen was really good. She went to the wholesaler, and after the wholesaler price, they gave her an additional discount. That's extra money for the. So and we end up like almost 60 children, including high school, giving away first, yeah. And 50 kids will be on that in a countryside where a small island on the Cebu. So you get those different uh, videos on that one because her husband gonna go on 5 days from now, but now they're doing only like 30, almost 40 children students.
So let what I hear, this is what I hear. Okay, here's what I hear. I hear Karen went there with the wholesaler.
Female.
So, wholesaler but now what they're gonna do is they have 2 locations. One is a crushed island and one is, which is also,
Yeah.
they got 2 different locations. We're gonna be doing something for that island location down the road.
That was working.
There, that those are very impoverished. Be doing feeding or some food donations for that island.
The problem is you need to do the favorite to there.
It's isolated island. Pat said, hello to you. Everybody say hello to everybody.
Sana sis ang pinakadaghan sis sa lamisa sis. Karen.
Show pretty girls, Karen, so you get more donations. Pat, how are you?
Yeah, a little bit money helps.
Maybe it's stuck. She may be stuck.
No, she's
What?
moving.
No. So I got a couple of announcements. Look, Lorelai had a little party yesterday.
Wala.
We didn't, but if you want to see what happened, go to Lorelai. And there's a bunch of dancing girls on. That's all they did yesterday was eat and dance. Try to say. So if you guys missed the party, go check it out on Lorelai's blog on Facebook. Right? No, all the other girls dancing.
Hindi siyang kunin.
Profile. Karen, ipalato na Karen.
Siyang kunin sa Bluetooth. Yung sounds ba? Muro.
Madungog ra namo yun.
Hindi siya mo kunin.
Madungog ta mo.
Take it easy.
Di ko kadungog di mo.
Lorelai.
Di ko kadungog.
Yeah, Lorelai.
Ako.
Ay, okay na na. Palayo lang. Di pa.
Okay na?
Oh,
Kung na-distribute?
yes.
Pala yung
Sabi ko,
picture.
problem.
Inig-distribute ba?
O, pa-distansya ka lang.
Another little announcement I have is one week this summer in July, we're going to have another tropical shirt party at our house. So everybody's welcome to come to the house for a party, but it's all tropical. You got to wear tropical. So that's going on. Give you a little bit of filler while Karen, not what Karen's doing.
Sisi, pakita ang kabisa ni mo. Ipakita ang lamisa by paanggol. Mahatag ka.
Panggol. Hindi na lang na. Wala live ron. Wala video. Kana live. Ako na video.
Ay, lamisa by pakita ang lamisa mahatag. O sige, pakilit pa yun.
Paminaw sa iya din.
O, kana.
Kana, okay. Wala ba picture ha? Video na lang.
Uy, ubos na, ubos.
Video. Video na ba? Basta picture na lang mo or video?
Kana pa dayon. Nag-live ka, pasag. Na diya.
So those are a bunch of kids that are lined up to receive their.
Mama sila. Hindi ko mag-video.
If you haven't done it.
Ipa-close up mo
Okay na.
ang iyong gipalitan nanday. Pakita ko no tananday. Ang salamin ka.
Hindi pa pala. Hindi ko ano yung
Okay na. Oh,
Si Kwan, si Carmel.
Okay na, okay.
Dito na.
Ayan na.
Ay, sa ang panguli. Dito sa Daplin sa picturean sa nako iguman. Si Ama si Rode.
Oh, they start cute now. They put names. See the kids there.
Ama guys.
Yeah, great. A lot.
This is all voluntary donation, everybody.
Ninya mo daan dito.
Guys.
Picturean sa nako. Dito pa dito.
Trying to tell that don't run to your house first with the picture you're taking after it.
Ay sa dong ha.
They put a big 3 boxes of
Ayun yun na, doon na. Si Harley. Ba't sila sa cartoon?
Good, Pat. Good to hear that you're doing better.
Hindi na lang ko picture. Right? Hindi na lang picture ni Kuman.
She's trying to separate fine. Oy, ingnago na sila ipalahi ang grade 3 nga palinya sa mga grade 2 to grade 3.
You'll figure it.
Naglinya na sila grade 1 o kinder to grade 6.
Okay. So they end up like ready from their according to their what's it called my guy? Like grades.
Picturean nga ba grade pangkuhan ko ng kinder. Pareha na bagit.
Okay na
Tunod.
na. No.
Grade ka day. Kani wa man ni eskwela no. Eskwela na ba ni? No, wala na lista. Ano, wala ako napil na.
Good. There's a kid that they don't know that.
Unya na kaday. Kung naisubra.
They can figure it out.
Oo na. Linya na ko na sila diri day. Ara picturean diretso. Usa linya nga paana.
We'll figure out.
Overtake mo.
Oh, well. If we need to give them a little,
It's really tiny anyway. Maybe just wanna
be a part of the group.
yeah. I don't know if that really cool.
Some little kid just wandered in. That little girl
Yeah.
there.
They look like a
What's
3-year-old.
She's like, "What's going on? Can I be a part of it?"
Yeah. Notebook.
Give her something.
See.
Oh, grade 2, Daniela. Dari sibog lang dari kay picturean ta mo linya da niya.
Taking the,
Oh, dari.
yes, I love huh? Look
Yeah.
at that one. And they have more at the bottom too.
All right, for all of the men out there in the live room, I found a 20-year-old female Filipina who's looking for a boyfriend who lives in the United States. Now she has some parameters. She was at our house yesterday for the park. She's roughly 20 or 21. Works hard, but she's looking for a boyfriend for the under 30. Sorry, I love 20-year-old, 21-year-old female living in Arkansas, single, looking for a boyfriend. If you guys know anybody that you want to recommend, maybe we can figure out how they can communicate.
Kay.
She's a little bitty skinny thing, about 4 pounds.
Yeah.
I don't know. Venus.
Grade 4.
Venus like it is. She's 21 years old. She'd like to find a boyfriend.
Bumanta.
It's all right, Pat. Let's see.
Grade 2. Grade 4. Bisa saan?
It's just a single Filipina living in America, here where we live, who's looking for a boyfriend under the age of 30.
Is Runilin di ay? Laya. Layas man. Grade 3. Asa naman? 3.
Yeah. Microphone.
Ay, sa mo blakaw. Nariya sa kaya. Kadali lang. Ala. Parang.
Maybe of the yeah, maybe yeah.
Oh, grade 3. Grade 3, oh.
Look at those children sing. Oh. Thank you so much. See how many you say for the help for the children there in the Philippines. They've been waiting there. Hi. It is nice. See, they put in an envelope so that everything will be good. It's like a basic school supply, but they have for colored paper, so the parents can add a little bit of that one. But
Grade 4.
so much. They don't have fun. That's the fun.
Tama na imong anak ni Binbin.
You know, he was making the joke about, we used to put a tag
Like a,
on the teacher's chair. So
Dennis troublemaker.
Isang strike grade. Shimi. Oh, Shimi.
No, little baby. Damn. Oh. The last time when they're like, everybody right there,
Grade 5.
they're like, you stay in the
Si Dave.
night. She really put a name.
Wala. Si Sean.
So the next question from is from the province.
Liam.
Hi James, how are you? So yeah, they're asking all your donations for the school supplies. Thank you for
Jam jam.
generosity giving us a super chat.
Boy.
Okay, so what kind of project we're doing the feeding?
Jam jam. Myself.
Wow, that's see wondered there's a lot. And they're giving from kindergarten, grade 1 to grade 6, then high school also.
Marungaling.
The high school they just give notebooks because high school is expensive. Grade 2 is so younger children.
We're doing roughly about 50 children location. One, this is location number one. Location number
60, yeah.
number two, 60 of them, is on a small shore, remote island that they're going to help out with school supplies there, which will go a really long way. Now,
My grade
we're going to
level.
try to raise funds so that we can buy some food for that island, kids in that island.
Kuya ko na niya ang
So
pagod.
like not 300 kids because you see how many books inside their
School. Tani.
their envelope. That's 7 notebooks, so that's a lot.
But this is going to get them through the school year. It's going to keep them in school. Because you got to remember, in the Philippines, if they don't have the money to buy the school supplies, kids don't get to school. And we want the kids to go to school so they can go to college, get a better job. In the Philippines. You got to have a college degree to work in Hollywood.
They're starting to bragging their stuff.
Ay, pamilya ko pangwaon.
You know, in the Philippines, you don't need to buy the bag envelope. That's expensive. That's the most expensive.
So that clear pouch,
Yeah, like a bag.
it's a big deal.
Yeah.
Jam.
So you're kind of a little bit fast to have to.
Sige.
But sometimes
Green na.
do that on school. They have a project. Pen.
Oh, manot eh.
Oh,
Asa ka? Ara lang linya.
no.
Yes, lots of happy kids. If you haven't given us a thumbs up, please do.
There's more for the high school. They're just giving notebooks for the high school.
James says he's doing fine. Everybody say hello to James. Everybody say hello to each other.
Yeah.
James, good to see you, buddy.
Uy, my grade.
Thank you for the hello, James.
They're trying to like by grade. Like
Ari
that.
saya, diri saya.
Tiny kindergarten. Where am I going?
Oh, sige. Salamat kay Bugat. Oh, thank you. Ina, Bugat kayo. Ina, thank you.
Really
Thank
heavy.
you.
Thank you. The parents will be happy. It's a lot. It's like a whole
Just
school
like
supply.
Thank you.
You only have the uniform.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Get 'em all.
Yeah, high school.
They can put
We
it
are
down.
here for the high school. High school, dali, high school. Kina?
I don't want them to hurt themselves.
They look at them. They said it's heavy.
Huli na daw sila.
Okay, okay.
Kina?
Oh.
Oh, sige na.
What Jamie's asking.
Di ko na mo si Sandra. Si
The other
Ethan.
old like, what the heck? Why you going?
Jared.
The free one.
Sige na,
Pay a little bit.
high school na lang. Yeah, thank you ha.
Lorelai, how often does the kindergarten through high school and the Philippines get school supply program?
Ayun kung ganun kang education.
The government never give us school supply.
So the schools in the Philippines never provide school supplies.
No.
All right.
Even a bundle or no.
Yeah. That's why we're doing this, James, is a lot of these kids would not have
No.
anything.
Even one book or paper, no. They're not free.
Nakabot na ah. Iya, duha iya ha kay si Jared dala. Eh, pahurot ko ba
That's the main problem of the parents. They're like, on this kind of they
Notebook mo ane?
too much money to
Notebook mo ane?
get.
They make
Magkano mo? Notebook mo ane? Baratuhon na ba yan ah? Baratuhon na ba yan eh? Isa man.
So there's a high school
Notebook mo
now.
ane?
They ask if they
Ay,
want,
pag t-shirt mo.
they will take it. That to the
other one.
province.
Baraton pero bugat kung pas mga bata bugat.
Bugat
Oh.
ba yan eh?
Heavy. It's a
Bugat
good
kay
one.
more daghan hibi.
Good.
Oh.
It's cheap because it's a wholesaler, you know. It's not like
She
really.
got a really good price by flirting with the.
My best three school was grades.
Kamuray high school?
Isik ka na na.
I can relate, Dennis. Trust me, I can relate.
Bilang nakabuok.
Isa-isa glakaw ha. Dahil tawagay mo
Dennis,
magwang
we
Davis.
appreciate what you did.
So the high school, they said they get some of the high school are picky, so if
Oh, iya ha.
gonna see if
Jared.
Oh,
Hindi
don't
pa
volunteer.
Tanda ka na ha.
Hey,
Awo, atal.
rough running, all for them. Good to see you from.
Hey.
Yeah, all the donations. Thank you so much for all your donations.
Here's where everybody's donations went for the school. What we're doing today, Ronnie.
It takes a while for us because
Raymart.
and
Raymart para sure.
they just
Diyan ko sa
graduated
sure.
Wala na na sa
week ago and now
kaniyo kang kuya mo yata
Sorry,
ka
Mark.
tag 5 ra mo.
They load each other in the house.
Wait, stopok mo pag thank
Thumbs
you
up
mo.
for us.
Ikaw kabulan mo. Aw dili okay
But I
raman
promise you
magtiguang
that
yung high school graph.
Every dollar
Sige
you
ra
guys
na
have donated to our projects, plus the ad money,
Ipakosa na rin silang bata. Tingnan yan na yung eskwela ni high
we're
school na
excited
bata.
about school supply ones because we want to keep these kids in school
Para pa man
to help them get out of poverty. You know, very important.
Raymart.
see even the snack know that they're gonna get, but they're watching it and they're asking, hey, they
60
what they
kids. We got 60 kids, Dennis.
60.
60.
Pwede mo kuya na no.
The next the there's like a 20 on the so this one are 40 children. The 20 is on the
Dang, dali sa dang.
1 week from now they're gonna send it to the province where Junre friend that was on the Facebook here that
Wala ko no
Isa
ba.
ka yan ang
what's the name?
Tabunan na.
tabunan na ng okay na tabunan na ikaw.
Junre here that talking about where yeah, we're gonna
So
give that there.
they're doing like 40 right now. Then they're going to do another
Tabunan
you
yun
know,
na.
Rikers Island with these other children.
Dili, ano?
High school.
Galagsuman mo.
The high school.
Awa, dito tayo pila ka ano.
See? The parents organized
High school.
Yes, yeah.
the volunteer, the parents, see?
Take them.
They have all assistant. Oh, they tell spread it away to they look nice. Oh,
Ronald, the professor, saying hello to everybody. Hello to him. Ronald, congratulations to you, my friend.
see?
Diyan pag ng box ato.
Oh, I'm done.
Wow. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Melanie. So, explain sis,
Where's your partner?
asa ni sis? Ang nagtabang ipatay ako.
Kung dito hindi.
Pero dito kay Pink ko kung
They came here to look at the girls.
Sabi there, Milani.
Salamat.
Sabi, this one.
Ipakita, sis. Tayo, pakita. Oh. Mm.
But she's married.
They don't care. They just want to look.
Oh, next time, another one go.
They just want to look. This is how we fundraise.
Uy, salamat sa kayo. Human na kita.
Isulti sis, ang next bus sis, asan man to sis para sa
That dog taking a shit in the picture.
we have our next batch.
There you go.
Like at the end of the month, we have a next batch for the province.
The
There,
Camotes,
yeah, Camotes.
Camotes Island.
The Camotes Island.
Okay. That's good. What else can we do for the kids? What else can be done for them on Camotes Island? Can you help?
We'll be giving away our school supplies like today. And
I like
my
this.
husband John Ray will be the one to take a video. For the giving.
Then what's the future? Describe the kids on the Camotes, Karen. How poverty they are there, and we're trying to do the what's that called? The funding or the what's that called? The feeding.
Oh yeah, feeding.
Tell them how really bad the people.
What would she like to do?
If what you can suggest that we can help to ask the supporters, Karen. But the problem is it's kind of really far to you need to go to the boat.
I understand.
So tell them, Karen, that we can help to of that
Kuha na
problem.
lang dali. Saan pagkuha?
James says you're married, but you're a big flirt. Or all the girls are married and they're big flirts.
Very bad.
Karen,
No.
unsay ang kauswagan nga to sa mga bata ikatabang i-describe unsa ang kahintag sa mga bata ngadto.
Ah. Unsa may istorya nako about sa kanang panginabuhi dito?
Yeah, you can tell it.
About the sa to call this one?
Okay, this is what happened.
Unsa tawag ano
Karen,
dito?
Karen find a boyfriend that who lives there. That's John Ray. And when she was her first pregnant, Carla, that's why they live in there. Then I went there, and it's really, really hard.
Ibaw na siya.
So
Ibaw
yeah,
na
I
siya.
mean, the people there are what they're doing the farm, and they get the coconuts to make it in
The only
oil.
coconut.
Then how's the children there, Karen? Karen, their noodles are special. The ramen,
That's what I
yeah.
mean.
It's all the Karen. Explain, what's their condition there?
You can drag it
Kung sila
out.
kahimtang ba?
Maybe she doesn't know.
It depend on how the parents when parents don't they don't have like example they si tawag na sis nagsaligras bunga sa lubi.
They depend on the
Depend
coconut.
on the coconut tree.
Uh-huh.
The coconut tree, they depend on it. And when the coconut tree is harvested. Harvested. Nya kopras unya. They call that one kopras.
Yeah.
When it harvested the coconut fruit.
Yeah.
When tawag na sis kung di nating bunga sa butong.
If it's not season,
If not seasoned, they depend on the what you call this one kanang mga tanom ra sa yuta, mga kamote,
crops.
saging.
Yeah.
They depend on the root crops only. When they don't have root crops, they like lugaw, soup.
Yeah.
Soup?
Yes.
Lugaw?
Yeah, rice soup.
Lugaw ulit plain. Plain rice only. They depend on that. Then like the children there is ang uban sis is malnourished. Saan pag-explain na?
Yeah, you're right. Malnourished. Kids
Like,
are
kuwang sa
malnourished. Yeah.
kuwang sa budget ba?
Yeah.
So what's the best thing to do to help? So what about buying mung beans, oatmeal, sardines, things of that nature? And we can raise enough money, we can just buy
Or they can do garden. That's what they say. We can
Dennis seeds.
seeds to plant. We can give away similia dye for the plants for them so that they can.
But the question is, will they grow on that island soil?
Yeah,
That's
the
the
island
problem.
soil.
It's a tiny
That's a
island.
problem.
It's look like
I tried that one there.
yeah.
Miss Man is in the charge. He is, Dennis.
Soy
He's
there is
boots on
very
the
hard.
ground.
The very
Yeah.
hard.
It's look like a private island the size, Dennis. It's like a private island.
What about the Milo crap or drink mix? You
Yeah.
know, things that they can put water with to have nutrition. So
Um,
that's my suggestion.
powdered
We don't have to figure it all
sachet.
out today, Karen. But my suggestion is we do something like that versus doing a biscotti feast where it only feeds them for one day. I would rather ask my friends here to give us money so that we can buy them some staples that would last more than one day. That's what I want to do.
Miss Man in charge.
Yes, that's Ronald.
Lots of money charge, lots of grocery.
Yeah, buy groceries. So, and then of course, we need an estimate of how much you think. Could we spend 10? How much would? How many people do? How many food bat? Let's call it a food box. How many food boxes would be beneficial? 10, 20, 30, or any? And then how much money would we want? Do we need to try to put in each food box? Would $10 or $20 buy a bunch of ingredients to last them a couple weeks? I don't know. So that's what
Di
I'm
ko
at.
ka-budget. Di ko ka-budget. Dogon sa kadaghan.
Siya sa budget.
So you girls can work on that, right? And
Because
I'll
the last time when Karen there when we barely
Pamilya
knew, and I gave the Karen the whole grocery because like I was surprised they're like,
Ako
I said, why you
na
can
ilang
have
budget.
here? And said, no, it will not survive. That's what
Beans. Inig
it's
maaboy
coconut.
mag-purchase na pa na. Iha pa lang siya i-divide sa pila ka household.
Professor says 4K, 4,000 pesos.
Minimum. Wow, that's a lot.
That's a lot, I think, for, but okay. I mean, Ronald, we'll go with that. PA Outdoors, cheers all. You need to go fund me. Yeah, I need to go fund. I need to go fund me for a lot of things, Dennis. But if we could just raise, $300 to $500, we could probably do a pretty good job, I think, right?
Maybe
Yeah, we can.
if you give them a chicken, they probably will butcher
Just eat
on
the
it.
chicken at the time.
Yeah,
How much is a fresh chicken?
that's what I'm saying. The last chicken, so that they can raise.
I'll butcher it.
No, I'm talking about a fresh chicken that they could go eat.
Oh, it's $4.
Yeah.
Pwede dito
$4
ka budget basta kung
So,
pila ka
full
tao. Ang gusto
chicken.
ko, nanaga na yung budget, ipalit. Nga iha na rin siya i-divide sa per household.
so that's what we're going to try to work on. If anybody out there in the world has any suggestions, let us know. We'd like to do something for this island when they're at their point where they're struggling the most.
Masad ko kay Bao.
$250. Oh, that's more expensive.
250 pesos for
Yeah,
a live
chicken.
Wow.
Yeah, like a whole chicken.
Well, it's probably going to be late July, Dennis. I'm going to think late July
Yeah.
because it's just starting June.
Inay
That'll
mo
give
ba
us
na ka rin? Si John rin ba? Oh,
Oo.
April Linders
maybe
in
he
the
can
house.
ask his parents there.
Yeah, maybe we'll get some more information. It's Comotes Island, and this is where Karen's from, right? Or John Ray's from.
Why this island? Oh, the island is like, this is Cebu, and this is really tiny island that across
Why?
where John
Ayun eh.
born, and Karen moved there when they just started and when they lived together. So they started, and I went there. I mean, I went there because it looked like that. Then that's why I
Yung
get
nangutan na.
there
Kamuti sa island.
back because it looked like I
Wala
know
yung
the
explain
children,
yan.
they're kind of like the people. They're like a native people that they never went out on the island. Some of those are kind of have high money, so that's why they do the fishing, the boat. But there's still a mountain there. Yeah.
So yeah,
Her husband.
hold on, Dennis, the island
Kwenta ko
is
sa
Steven.
kaya kung wala yung
Karen
bunga
fell
ang
from
lubog.
there. Friends lived there, so they got a lot of roots there. So correct.
Yeah.
Buwa sa katunan na ito. Tra,
But got her
ay
husband,
tindahan.
her longtime boyfriend.
Yeah, they're not married.
Now, if he doesn't shape up and fly right, she's going to dump him and find an American. So we got to keep him on his toes.
That's her living partner.
Soul Linder's go on vacation soon. So that's the connection.
Yeah,
And we
I
know
would.
that it's a very small,
Yeah.
impoverished island. And I know we can't solve the problem of the whole Philippines, because I know there's everywhere you go in the Philippines, you have great poverty,
Yeah.
but that's the connection for us. And that's,
But before David and I, when I was in the Philippines, like when I was single, I went there and give like this is what's funny, look like the noodles, everything like dried food because yeah, that's it forever. And then Karen moved to Cebu, the city, and Karen never eat the noodles for like few years after that. He got it's too much
hold
noodles.
on. So, all right, let me say again, Dennis, everybody, the connection is Karen is Lorelai's bestie.
Yeah.
Her live-in husband guy, John Ray, who's a really good guy, he actually is. That's where he's from. But Karen and the kids have also lived on the island. Lorelai's been there. So they have a relative, and John Ray's parents are all there. So the family of Karen is there, right? The island is right outside of Cebu. It's not very far off the show of Cebu. And Ronald, to
Wow.
answer your question, tonight,
Karen, look at that,
tonight,
Karen.
tonight,
Wow, Dennis. Wow.
Thank you, Dennis Balon again.
tonight.
Thank you so much for the $50.
Yeah,
Yeah. I know that's Canadian.
Yeah.
that's Canadian.
Oh, Canadian. Oh,
So,
okay.
it's really like,
Yeah.
snap. That's right.
But the total he gave now is 53.
53.
Yeah, $53.
Yeah.
Minus the YouTube tax, whatever. But
Yeah.
yeah, he's a really good. These people here, Karen, this all the one that who's been supporting you guys.
No, 2 hours. 2 hours to
Or
3 hours. It's just a motorboat.
yeah.
Professor's having trouble with the super chat. Well, that's all right, Professor. You can
The
always
super
just do
cut.
the
Super
PayPal
cut
thing
is
so
only for
YouTube doesn't.
1 hour.
Yeah. I'll see. Wow. Yeah, I mean, guys, you see us, we're really legit because before we
Huh?
did this with and now it's bigger because with your help, but before it's kind of us is a little bit smaller because we're not rich.
So if you
Need ko
want
na
to
siya
do PayPal, Ronald, you can. And our PayPal link is at the top of the chat. So because YouTube takes care of
Just
that.
need a mermaid.
But we appreciate the thought, Ronald.